Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Right now today I'm at the nail salon getting my pedicure, and I decided to edit this video while I was here. So today's video is actually a video from Sunday and Monday. Sunday I did a seafood boil with the Bloves sauce, not the packet but the scratch, made from scratch. And then on Monday I had to go to the post office and mail some stuff off, and I met a lady in there that was mailing off some cheesecakes. So she said she would make me one. Man, banana pudding cheesecake. You guys will see that in this video too, so continue watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, I have to bring you guys closer because this seemed like that was like way too far away. See my plate, my sauce. Look at that. Mm. Oh Lord, y'all can just see my ashy elbows again. And I don't know why they do that. Because I lotion them. I know y'all don't want to see me eat with no dang on fork. Mm-hmm. I'll be okay. Mm. Mm. I am not a mukbanger. I do hair. However, today, yeah, let me get some sausage. Look at that. It fell, you guys. It fell. Where'd it go? Oh, you gonna get eaten. Where you at? There you go. I got him, y'all. I got him. Mm-hmm. I get one of the potatoes. Mm-mm-mm. crab meat. I like the red bell pepper. And I'm not a big fan of shrimp, but I will go on. Yeah. There's some lotion in your bag over there? Some lotion? Lotion in my bag? Mm-hmm. Mm. And yeah, I'm double dipping. This is my little own bowl. This sauce really does something to these vegetables, you guys. And if you guys want to know how to make the Bloves sauce, this is not the sauce from the packet that she sells on Amazon. This is the sauce that you make from scratch. I'll put that link in the description box. Mmm. It's spicy, you guys, but good. Mmm. I think my lotion is in the car. Now, it's so good. Like I said, I really don't have too much to say. I really don't. And I'm full. So, And then I'm gonna pack half this stuff up and take it over to my friend's house anyway. More than half of it. Mmm. You know, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's Corona. I don't know what it is, you guys. But I've been dealing with folks with just attitude problems. Like joy snatchers. Like multiple people. But I just have to turn that off. And not pay attention to it. Because you cannot steal my joy. Be miserable all by yourself. Miserable, miserable, miserable. Excuse me. I didn't even take a bite of my corn. Let's dip this egg in there, you guys. I should boil it. You guys just ever feel like sometimes you're just surrounded by haters? There's haters for no reason. I'm getting that vibe a lot. Which means I must be doing something right. Folks gonna hate. Hate on. But I know when it's me, and I'm going off about something, and I'm justified to go off about something, folks wanna play the victim real, like play the victim for real, for real. But I don't really let people affect me like that. I just sit back and watch and treat them accordingly. I'm about to go round and round for folks who need to be taking meds, who should be taking meds, but really, for real, but don't. But yeah, that's it. Oh, this corn, y'all, I didn't do this corn for you guys. This corn is so good and sweet. I guess my body just needs some vegetables, I guess. Because usually I tear the crab leg up. It's hot. Full, you guys. I am full. Let me just eat this last little droplets of crab legs that's on here. I'm gonna show you guys all this food that I made. I'm about to pack up right now because it will not be sitting here. Look at all this food. So yep, I'm gonna pack this up because I was supposed to do a seafood boil for my cousin when she came out to visit. But you know, when people come to Vegas, they could get to doing a tourist thing and it gets late. And when it gets late, I load it, don't cook. Okay? But that's it. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time. These vegetables are so fresh. Every time I upload a video, on that note, You guys, I was trying to be good on my diet, but I have to excuse the diet because I got some banana pudding cheesecake from SMB Royalty. SMB Royalty, you guys. I'm going to put this in the description box below. Let me tell you, it is like, I told her, if I had a choice between sex and the banana pudding, give me the banana pudding. And it's not too sweet. It's not too thick. And everything is all fresh.
Yeah, I'm big on fresh.
Come here so they can see you.
I look really good.
It don't matter. So do I. That is the owner of SMB Royalty. Cheesecake.
Yes, order now.
Oh my God, you guys. I love Cheesecake Factory.
Oh my God.
But Cheesecake ain't got nothing on this. Nothing on this, okay? Now,
She put some hood up there.
I gotta go. Because I gotta go on Facebook Live with this too.